How to delete Instagram block list without unblock. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Instagram on your device. Then tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now simply scroll down. Now under who can see your content, tap on blocked. Now as you can see there is no option to clear the list. Now on this page take a screenshot. Now simply go back. Now scroll down. Now tap on health. Now tap on report a problem. Now tap on report problem without seeking. Then tap on continue. Now type I want to clear the list without unblocking them. Now tap on upload. Now select the screenshot. Then tap on send at the top right corner. Now wait for a few hours. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.